Great morning, everyone. Attention, standards, attention, standards. Honorable Principal, respected teacher, and my dear friends, we, the student of grade 8th, feel right to conduct assembly this morning. Let's begin with the Gayatri Mantra. I would like to request Amrita to read the choir and Khushi to read the pledge.
Let's start Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhurбhavः Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhyo Yo Nः Prachodayat. Om Bhurбhavः Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhyo Yo Nः Prachodayat. Om Bhurбhavः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. Om Shanti 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 Om. Let's start pledge.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall strive to be its loyal and worthy citizen. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. May God grant her peace and prosperity. Thank you.
Every thought has weight, power, and size, and we make difference in our life by doing usual things differently by thoughts only. Now I would like to invite Danya to let us know the importance of the day and produce the thought of the day.
Great morning, all of you. Honorable Principal, respected teachers, and my dear friend. This is Danya in front of you. Today I'm here to express my views on the topic of believe in yourself. I'll repeat it, believe in yourself. Well, I think the biggest pressure the youth of today is facing is to believe in themselves. Know that you are unique and that's what makes you beautiful. Stop comparing yourself with others and let's talk about more important thing that's happening worldwide. I think this is what you need to understand. Come out, speak for yourselves because you're the leader of your life. You're the voice of your own. I believed in myself and that's why I'm standing here today. Thank you.
Every individual has unique identify and some personality traits and also some qualities. Now I would like to invite Amrita. She is going to introduce herself.
Great morning, everyone. Honorable Principal, teacher, and my dear friends. Today I introduce myself. I am Amrita. I am from 8th grade in DRM Senior Secondary School. I am 12 years old. I belong to joint family. There are 8 members in my family. My father name is Mr. Atiz. He is a transport manager. My mother name is Mrs. Mansi. She is a teacher. My younger sister Arushi reads in 5th grade. My younger brother Shivai reads in 3rd grade. I have a loving family. I like to become a doctor. Amritsar is my favorite place to visit. I like to eat sweets. It's a great experience to talk to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.
You know very well that words move the world. I can by the power of the words. Now I would like to invite Jay Koshik.
Great morning, Honorable Principal, other respected teacher, and my dear friends. I am Jay. Today I want to speak about on the topic of microorganism. Microorganisms are classified into four parts: bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and algae. Microorganisms are too small and are not visible by unaided eyes. They can live in all types of environment, ranging from ice-cold climate to hot springs and desert to marshy lands. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Wise people say an inquisitive mind helps to open up the personality. Now I would like to invite Rudra to conduct quiz session.
Great morning, Honorable Principal, respected teacher, and my dear friends. I am Rudra from 8th standard. Today my topic is GK question answer. What are major group of microorganisms? Answer is bacteria, protozoa, fungi, and algae. Name some diseases caused by protozoa. Answer malaria, etc. Name some diseases caused by bacteria. This is typhoid, cholera, etc. Name some single cellular microorganism. Bacteria and protozoa. Name some multicellular microorganism. Algae and fungi. Thank you and have a nice day.
Music, fragrance, and beauty are the triplet bound together. We get right whomever we meet. Anshuman will recite a poem. Now get delight your heart and soul.
Everyone, honorable principal, respected teacher, and my dear friends. I am Anshuman from 8th standard. My topic is poem. Not a crumb to be found on the snow-covered ground. Not a leaf on a tree. Not a flower could see.
Like stories, these stories teach us values and guide us how to go about our life. I would like to invite Zoya.
Honorable principal, respected teacher, and dear friends. I am Zoya from 8th son. Once there was a crow. He was very thirsty. He went here and there to search of water, but it could not find water. At last, he saw a pot of water. The water is very low. The water is very low. He take pebbles and put in the water. The water rose up, and he drank water and flew happily. Thank you. Have a nice day.
In this chain of performance, our next performer is Roshni. I would like to invite Roshni.
Great morning, honorable principal, respected teacher, and my dear friends. My name is Roshni. I read in 8th grade. My topic is an idle student. Idle student set goal. Idle student welcome everywhere. Idle student like to be on top. Treat honesty. Work hard to achieve the goal. Thank you. Have a nice day.
With the honest conviction that we shall make our day bright and beautiful, we get bright and dedication. Thank you one and all. Nice day.